Welcome the chance to find out about this brand new person and her interests, work, passions, and dreams, and see if this individual's values match your own. 6. Be thoughtful about presenting a brand new partner to your kids. Just present your kids to someone you think is major, and, even then, do it slowly. Friedenthal states, ask if they have any questions. Let them understand in advance about an approaching conference, listen to their worries, then assure them as needed. When establishing a preliminary conference, it can be practical to all engage in a short activity in a neutral setting, so the focus is on the activity, instead of pressure to learn more about your partner. Kids may see you dating as a danger to their time and relationship with you. Ask your kids about their sensations, genuinely listen to what they express verbally and non-verbally, and verify that it's okay to feel nevertheless they feel. That stated, their feelings do not need to dictate your love life. It may be handy to sculpt out unique time with your kids without your partner, simply as you may sculpt out time with your partner without your kids. 7. Keep the kids' feelings firstly. No matter what, it's going to be a big change when the kids see their mommy with someone brand new. However, there are things you can do to decrease how disturbing that may be. Friedenthal states, and when interacting with the kid, avoid things like utilizing labels the child doesn't like, teasing, or going into the kid's space without authorization. 8. Ensure everyone understands their role in the kids' lives. When a brand new person enters the family, is it as a friend, or a figure of authority? Work on developing a relationship with the children before attempting to step into any kind of parenting function, Warren states. Do not anticipate things to be ideal, like on the Brady Bunch. Adapting to brand new circumstances and new people can be a little a process. 9. Keep expectations in check. Life is made complex, life is unpleasant, and it isn't constantly going to go efficiently, and that doesn't indicate it's not going to work out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.